Salom doston, hi there friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein, and in this class we're going to talk about the parts of the head, how to say eyes, lips, ears, nose, etc. in Tajik. And I will draw the parts of the head, and then at the same time I'll explain to you how to say those words in Tajik. At the end of the video we'll review all of these words. Alright, we're going to start with the face first, the face. And let's draw the face here. In Tajik, it's r, or you can also say rui. Both are fine, r or rui. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. The eyes, in Tajik, we say chasham. Chasham will be one eye, and chashmon will be eyes. You can also say chasham ho. As a general rule, if you just add ho, the noun will be plural. So chasham, chasham ho, eyes. And if you want to learn more about the plural nouns, we have a video, you can check it out, and the link will be in the description box. Let's draw the eyebrows. The eyebrows, usually Tajik people, they have thick eyebrows. In Tajik, it's one will be kosh, and both will be kosh ho. Kosh, kosh ho, with the letter k at the beginning. Alright, now let's draw the nose. In Tajik, it's bini, bini with izada, the long e at the end, bini, okay? And let's draw the mouth now, but before we draw it here on the face, let me explain to you how to say lips, the teeth, and the tongue. So I'll draw it on the other side. Let me start with the lips first. The lips in Tajik, labon or labho, and one will be lab. So we have the lips, labon or labho, and now let's draw the teeth. Oh, huge teeth. The teeth will be dandon ho, or one will be dandon. So dandon or dandon ho. And now let's draw the tongue here. The tongue is zabon, zabon. So this will be zabon. Alright, now we have red lips, which is laboni surh. Laboni surh. So now let's draw the mouth on the face. Let's make him a little bit happier. Now we have the mouth. The mouth in Tajik is dahon. Dahon. Alright, now let's draw the ears. So the ears in Tajik is gush or gush ho. Gush ho. Both will be gush ho. Alright, now we have the hair. Hair in Tajik is mu. Mu or mu, just like with the face, rui, the same with the mu. And here, this is the forehead, but it makes him look old, so let's erase that. The forehead will be peshona. Peshona. So, since we are drawing a man here, let's add the mustache. The mustache in Tajik is muilab. Okay, muilab. And the beard in Tajik is rish. Rish. I don't have the beard now, so it will be rish. And cheeks. So cheek will be rukhsor. Rukhsor. And we have a name even. Rukhsora, a girl's name. Rukhsora. So let's erase that. It doesn't look good here. And this part here, the bottom here, that's the chin. Chin in Tajik is manah, manah, with ha at the end, manah. Oh, I almost forgot. So the eyelashes will be mishgon, or people say mijgon, some people. So mishgon. And the last but not least, a brain. The brain in Tajik is maina, maina. And some people say mainei sar, which is what we have here. Sar is the head. The head will be the sar. Now it's time to review. I will erase one part at a time, and your job will be to say that in Tajik. And if the video is too fast, you can pause it, say it in Tajik, and then check what I say. I mean how I say in Tajik. So, the brain in Tajik is maina, maina. Mouth. We'll erase tongue first. So it will be zabon, zabon. And teeth here, dandon or dandonho if it's plural. Lips, labho or labon. And the chin, if you remember, in Tajik is mana, mana. The cheeks, we don't have them here. Okay, let me draw here. So the cheeks will be rukhsor. Now look at the face. I'll erase something here and try to find out what is that. As you can see, the beard is missing. So in Tajik, that's rish, rish. All right, next, mustache. In Tajik, muilap, muilap. And the mouth, dahon, dahon. Ears, gush, gushho. Nose, bini, bini, okay. And the eyes, first, eyelashes, mijgon, mijgon or mishgon. And the eyes, chashmon or chashm. Eyebrows, kosh. The hair, mö or mui. And the face is rui or rö. Alright, that's been it. Thank you very much for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, if you learned something new, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Khair.